Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by going straight into Settings on your Samsung. Once there, tap Lock Screen. This is where the news widget lives. Make sure you know your One UI version and that the phone is unlocked. Some options change with updates. If you see a Lock Screen Services toggle, leave it alone for now. Next, locate Widgets or Face Widgets so you can see the news component listed. This prepares you to remove it without guessing where the content is coming from. Now you'll remove the news element. Open Face Widgets or Widgets under Lock Screen and find the News or Samsung Daily entry. You can toggle it off or use Remove to delete it from the lock screen slots. This stops headlines immediately. If the news appears via an app on the home screen, go to Apps Samsung Daily or News and disable notifications or uninstall updates to prevent lock screen push. Once done, exit Settings and finish by locking the device and verifying headlines are gone. This confirms success. If the news still appears, clear the cache and data for the News or Samsung Daily app in Settings apps, then restart the phone. That often removes stubborn content. Make sure no third-party lock screen or carrier app is pushing news. If so, disable or uninstall it. If none of that works, reset lock screen settings to defaults, then reconfigure only the widgets you want.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.